which are the best Stoic warrior style voices in ElevenLabs. So I'm over here at the homepage. Let's go to text to speech. And I'm going to give you the 6 best voices for Stoic warrior style. So let's click on voice. And the first one is over here, Victor, Eastern European. Let's pick this one and generate speech. Let's hear it.
Strength is not in the blade, but in the hand that refuses to tremble.
Why is this voice good? It's because it has deep with steady delivery that reads authoritative and controlled. So let's go to the second voice. Second voice will be, I'm pretty sure you guys know about that voice. So this is Harry, an animated warrior. This is the best voice for animated style voices. So let's hear it.
Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in happiness.
So I'm pretty sure you've heard it anywhere on YouTube, animated videos and stuff like that. So let's go to the third voice, which is Bill. Let's pick this one and let's generate speech and hear it.
Strength is not in the blade, but in the hand that refuses to tremble.
So this voice is described as strong documentary style voice. It's good for measured, dignified narration. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one will be Brian. Let's click on that. Let's generate speech and let's listen.
Strength is not in the blade, but in the hand that refuses to tremble.
Yeah, so this voice is solid, low to mid melee voice that maps well to calm, firm narration. Let's go to number 5 now, which is Beyond the Viking. This one. Add to my voices. Let's generate speech and listen.
Strength is not in the blade, but in the hand that refuses to tremble.
Yeah, so this is a warrior Viking kind of style. A good match if you want a voice that evokes strength, stoicism, and gravities. So think warriors, epic narrations. Okay, so let's go to the last voice. The last voice would be Ronan Mac. This one. The second one. Just click on that, add to my voices, generate speech, and listen.
Strength is not in the blade, but in the hand that refuses to tremble.
Yeah, so it's a deep and very slow voice. I think even too slow. You can raise the speed if you want to, because it's very slow. But it depends on what you need. So every voice is different, but they all fit the Stoic warrior style voices in ElevenLabs. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.